Welcome to this video on dyscalculia. In the next 5 minutes, we'll explore the key signs and symptoms that help parents and teachers identify this math-related learning difficulty early. Dyscalculia affects a child's ability to understand numbers, quantities, and mathematical concepts. It is not related to intelligence or effort, but rather how their brain processes numerical information. Many bright children struggle with numbers because their brain processes numerical information differently. Think of dyscalculia as the math version of dyslexia, impacting mathematical processing. One of the earliest signs is trouble understanding what numbers actually mean. A child may struggle to compare quantities or identify which number is bigger or smaller. Even counting objects correctly may be confusing for them. They might skip numbers or count the same object multiple times, indicating a fundamental difficulty with numerical sense. Children with dyscalculia often find it hard to learn basic arithmetic. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division may not make sense to them, even with repeated instruction. They might forget basic math facts like 4 plus 4 or 6 plus 2, even after extensive practice. This isn't a memory issue, but a difficulty in retaining and retrieving numerical information. They may struggle to count forward or backward, finding the sequence of numbers challenging. Understanding what comes before or after a number can take extra time and effort. These children may find it hard to read analog clocks, understand schedules, or estimate time. Concepts like half an hour or tomorrow might be abstract and confusing. Handling money, giving change, or following measurements in cooking or school activities can feel overwhelming. Practical applications of math are often a significant hurdle. Math work may take much longer than expected. They might skip steps, make simple errors, or struggle to organize their work on the page, leading to messy and incomplete assignments. Symbols like plus, minus, equal to, greater than, or less than may be hard to remember or understand. They may look familiar but feel confusing, hindering problem solving. Even when a child understands the language in a word problem, the math part may not make sense. They may not know how to start or what operation to use to solve it. Because math feels confusing, many children develop anxiety. They may avoid homework, fear tests, or become stressed during math class, impacting their overall well-being. This anxiety is a response to the difficulty, not misbehavior. It's a natural reaction to feeling overwhelmed and repeatedly failing at something others seem to grasp easily. Here are some quick red flags by age. Preschoolers might show trouble recognizing numbers or counting objects accurately. In primary years, red flags include forgetting math facts and struggling with simple operations like addition and subtraction, despite consistent practice. Older children may exhibit difficulty with fractions, decimals, formulas, or practical applications like budgeting and managing time, indicating persistent challenges. If you notice several signs, consider an assessment with a psychologist or special educator. Early intervention is essential for developing foundational math concepts and skills. At home, use visual aids like number lines and charts and hands-on tools such as blocks or counters to illustrate concepts. These tangible tools can make abstract ideas concrete. Break down tasks into smaller, manageable steps, as children with dyscalculia can be overwhelmed by complex problems. Offer extra time for assignments and tests to alleviate pressure. Provide frequent and positive feedback, emphasizing effort and progress rather than focusing on mistakes. This builds confidence and a positive attitude towards math. Avoid pressure and encourage effort. Remind your child that learning differently is perfectly okay, fostering a supportive and understanding environment. Create a supportive environment by maintaining a positive, patient, and non-judgmental tone. This helps children feel safe to explore and learn without fear. Seeking help from educational specialists and psychologists ensures children receive the support they need to overcome their math challenges and succeed academically. Thank you for watching. Understanding the signs of dyscalculia is the first step in supporting a child's learning journey, paving the way for their academic and personal growth. Stay connected for more helpful videos on learning and development, as we continue to explore ways to support every child's unique educational path.